If you've seen ads or social media posts promising easy income with the TBR Powerup system, you're probably wondering if it's a smart opportunity or just another overhyped scheme. The TBR Powerup system claims to help people earn money through digital marketing tools, ad credits, and online traffic systems, painting a picture of passive income and financial freedom. But when you start digging deeper, things don't look as shiny. The company hides its real ownership details, which raises serious questions about transparency. Many users online have pointed out connections to previous MLM-style projects that eventually collapsed, leaving participants with losses. The so-called founders have a track record of launching programs that fade away after collecting large upfront payments. Another major concern is that there's no actual standalone product or service, providing real value to the public. The income model seems heavily based on recruiting new members, rather than selling genuine tools or software. This setup resembles a pyramid-style structure, where only the top few benefit while newcomers struggle to recover their investment. On top of that, the cost to join and maintain your membership isn't cheap, with constant upgrades and packages designed to pull in more money from users. Some people claim to earn small commissions in the beginning, but the earnings often drop sharply once recruitment slows down. So, while TBR Powerup System markets itself as a modern digital opportunity, it operates with too many red flags: lack of transparency, questionable history, and a focus on recruitment over real business. It's not necessarily a proven scam, but it's definitely not the kind of system that guarantees reliable or sustainable income. Always research deeply before putting your time or money into any platform that makes easy money promises.